अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है कि आप तमाम अल्लाह के फजल करम से बखैरियत होंगे। अब आइए आज की अहम खबरें सुनें। आई एम रीडिंग ए रिपोर्ट ऑफ डेक्कन क्रॉनिकल चेन्नई। प्लीज लिसन टू इट। RSS finds court restrictions unacceptable, cancels rallies. Chennai. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) that was allowed by the Madras High Court to take out route marches and meetings at 44 places in the state on Sunday cancelled the event and unilaterally protesting against the conditions imposed by the Madras High Court, saying that they were unacceptable. We would appeal in a court of law against the present conditions, such as holding the rallies within four walls or in indoor auditoriums. RSS Southern Region President R. Vanyarajan said on Saturday. Questioning the restrictions, he said such rallies were now being held in states like Kashmir, Kerala, and West Bengal, and they had been happening for the past 97 years at most places in the country, including Tamil Nadu, for many years. This year, the RSS had sought permission from the state police to hold the rallies and meetings at 50 places in the state on October 2 to mark the 75th anniversary of India's independence and 125th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, he said. Since the police did not respond to their request, the RSS approached the High Court seeking permission. The court had allowed them to have the events on November 6 and not on October. Then the state government objected to the granting of permission for the rallies and meetings in 47 places, citing intelligence reports, but Justice G.K. Idanthirayan on Friday allowed the event to be held in all but 6 communally sensitive places with some restrictions. But since the general restrictions imposed on the events were unacceptable to the organization, it decided to cut off the rallies and meetings and go for an appeal. The 6 places where the RSS was barred from conducting the event were Coimbatore, Mettupalayam, Pollachi, Palladam, and Arumanai and Nagarkoil. Thank you for your listening.